by the rain, and the batters have run four. Comedy of errors. But we'll have to wait and see if the initial throw at the stump from the keeper catches Arachige short. Just keep throwing it at the stump. The batters keep running. Good diving from Arachige.
Comedy of errors, and this time for the sucker went at the bowler's end. David Vesa misses it. Ibrahim Zadran goes at the bowler's end.
He's out.